How you guys doing? So today I have another unboxing for you guys. Today we have the 10x. I just picked it up today. So I'm gonna be doing another unboxing, just showing you guys around and showing you guys all the details on the inside. So trying to figure out how to put this. It's like this thing right here. It's a lot of tape. It's a lot of tape. So, okay. That seems to be it. Alright. So I'm opening the box. I might turn this around so you guys get a clear view of the inside. We can look in there together. Seems like there's something holding it over there. Get the blade, cut that out, and there we go. Alright, so now I'm gonna bring you guys closer so you can see close what's in the box. This is how everything comes. Before I start taking things out of the box, just want to show you guys everything in there as much as I can, as close as I can. Okay, so we have one of these. I actually have one of these, but they give you one as well. This is really nice. I like this. And I think this will probably be the charger. Let's open it. Yes. This is the charger. Okay. Yep, it's the charger. It looks like it doesn't need any adapter or whatever. So that's the charger. I'm sorry guys, this video will be long because like I said, I like to do a detailed unboxing. There's this other stuff that's in there as well. So I think this go on the bolts that are on the side. I think the next thing will be getting this thing out of the box. Now, one of the things that I really don't like is the fact that this just hangs off. Like the handlebars, it just hangs off of the cable. So I'm not sure how strong this, as you can see, like it just hangs off of the cable. As you bring it up, it's just gonna be the cable holding onto this, the handlebars. And I would like to be extremely careful when I'm trying to open up stuff like this, because I don't know if that can cause any damage. So, but you guys will see as I take it out. So, oh, and it has keys on the side. So as you can see, the keys. Okay, so let's continue. And extremely careful. As you can see what I mean, it just hangs off like that once it's out of there. It just hangs off, and I really don't like that. So it's just the cable, this cable right here, that just holds it. I might just leave it in here and pull the whole thing out and then adjust it with this staying here, because I feel like it's much safer for it to be in here. And I'm gonna try to pull it out like that and pick it up. Yeah, that is heavy. This side came out with the wheel. And I'm just gonna lift it up so I can put the kickstand. So this is the reason I was struggling, because it was really stuck in there. Now, let's get a closer look at this thing. Whew. That was a struggle. All right. And doing a closer look. This looks nice. And you do get one of these. I believe it's the instructions. It was just off to the side. Put that over there. First, I want to tighten this, the handlebars. I want to tighten it first. I don't want it wobbling and hanging around as I try to lift this thing up. I don't know if the screws, I think the handlebar is supposed to come with like some screws to attach it. So I'm not sure if it's here. Let me cut all this stuff off. I did not see any of that. So hopefully it's either on the main frame already. So I just have to loosen it up and tighten it. Or if somewhere around here. Okay, so it looks like the screws are already on here. I have to loosen it up and take it out and then put this handle, the bar through, and then tighten it back up. So just so you know, as you guys are doing your own unboxing of this, you're not gonna be looking for those 4 screws. Like, what the hell are they? It's right there already. So, like I said, I want to put this handlebar in and tighten it before I lift this up and then get rid of this box that is supporting it right now, because I don't want this hanging off like that. So let's see which one. All right, take those out. Now we're gonna put the handlebar in. Let's figure out which way it goes. This way. Okay. So that's the way it goes. When people open up this, I haven't seen anybody trying to do this first. I don't know, I'm just cautious. I don't want this just hanging and pulling the cables as I'm trying to lift, because most people will they lift up this already and then start trying to put the handlebars on. Okay, so now let's see, I can just bring this up. Oh, wow. You guys can barely see that. So let me bring my camera up a bit. So when I bring up the handle, you guys can still see the whole scooter. Okay. I want to make sure you guys see everything I'm doing, sorry. So, man, this handlebar is really high. I'm gonna raise up my camera a bit more so you guys can see when it comes up there. Okay, so when I bring this up, see that? And now all I have to do is just tighten up the bottom part right there, and this is pretty much almost set. And before, you would have been bringing this up and then holding this, and then it will be wobbling, and then you're pulling on these cables and you might damage it. Now we can get rid of this. It has done its purpose. Probably gonna do a little bit more close up, show you guys all around the scooter. Bam, 0. We're gonna have to get lower than that because I need you guys to see over here like how this is going to be attached. So you guys please bear with me. I'm gonna bring this thing down and make it lower so you can see as I'm attaching that. Okay, that's a clean view. So they said you have to let this whole part come all the way down and then hold on to this. So, but this doesn't look like it gets all the way straight though. Yeah. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. So I need you guys to see what I'm seeing right now. Hopefully this is not gonna be an issue that cannot be resolved. Let me bring you guys a little bit closer. Closer. Okay. So, as you can see, I'm trying to push up for this to be straight, but it's not going at all. So I'm not sure why that's happening. I didn't see anybody having any issues with that area because this cannot slide all the way down to right here until this becomes straight and then goes all the way. So I'll move it around, a little bit of wobble here and there, but nothing is happening. So we're back again. As you can see, when this is coming up, it's not going all the way. This is not going all the way. So I think it might be because of this, because this is more inside. This is more inside than this one. So I'm gonna loosen this. I already loosened the bolts that on the side to see if that's gonna do anything. So I'm gonna loosen this front one and see if that's gonna do anything. That's the screw. Just gonna loosen it up so it's out a little bit more. We're gonna bring it up, and that's it. That was the issue right there. This bolt was more inside than it was supposed to be. So now these are lined up. So these are supposed to, this feels really secure. So if this is loose, if it's like wobbly like this, you're supposed to tighten this. So you tighten it a little bit more. Let's take a look around this whole scooter right now. All right, close up. So here we go, starting with the wheels. This is the charging spot right there. Back wheels, we have those suspension back there. Top part, we're going all the way around to the other side. This seems like this is where the motors, because this is dual motor, so this is the side that shows the motor. This side as well. And then we're gonna go up the handlebars. We have the modes. You can switch from single, dual to eco turbo. Then we got the little things on the side. It would be nice to kind of have like a signal thing right here. Then we go from there. We got the display right there. And of course we got those keys. So this will be the next thing that we're gonna be taking a look at right now. We're gonna turn this thing on and see how everything works. First, we put in the key in the ignition. I'm gonna tighten all this too, but 50 volts. This is the one that's 52. So this being at 50 means that it definitely already have some juice in there, which means I do not have to charge this for 5 hours or 6 hours, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna power it on and boom, there we go. So it's on, it shows the battery is like halfway right there. I'm just gonna dim my screen just a bit so you guys can see clearly. All right, perfect. So this, to change the mode, it's right here. It's in mode 1 right now. I mean gear 1. It says gear 1, and then gear 2, gear 3. I guess gear 3 is like the highest for the power. And then you press it again, it goes back to gear 1. To change, like go into the settings, you press the mode and the power button at the same time and hold it. Oh no, I was holding the mode button. So if you hold the mode button, the lights come on. So I'll show you guys right here. That's what just happened. These are the lights. You have those lights in the front, right there, and then the brake lights in the back. All right, let's get back to this. All right, so like I was trying to show you guys, but it's just difficult trying to press both of them at the same time. So now we're back to this. You press both at the same time and hold it. I'm actually going to turn off the light first because you can see right here it says that the light is on. It actually has like a little symbol to let you know that the light is on. So press and hold and it turns it off. I'm trying to press and hold the power button. Okay, so now it's into the settings mode.